Hello there, Bubba. I'm taking a picture, not a photograph.
Hello.
It's a video.
Video.
Say hi, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
What are you watching?
Blue's Goose.
Is that what that is?
Goose.
And what is this? One of your storyboards?
Blue.
What kind of storyboard did you make?
Elmo.
Let me look. Can I look? Can I film it? Let's take a look. Wait, let me put, yeah, we got to read the light. We got a left light here. Let's see. Let's say up there. Uh-huh. Oh, I see bear.
Tada.
Tada. Yeah, there's Tada. Who else? Who's that guy?
Jimmy.
Jimmy. Yeah,
Dog.
that's right. Yeah.
Done.
Mm-hmm. I see Dora. Boots. There's Elmo with the, what is that? Dorothy, the goldfish? Right?
Goose.
Oh boy, this is a nice one. You did a long one. Well, you do always do long ones. All right, what's this stuff over here? What's this?
Food.
Who?
Food.
Food? I don't know what you're saying. I'm not sure. Oh, food. Yeah, I see. All different kinds of food. Okay, I got a video of this too.
Water.
Water. Very good. Very, very nice. And this side, what's this?
Water.
More, that's right, more water. Look at that, the beach, the baby playing with the hose, the swimming pool, very good. And this side,
Food.
more food. That's right, look at that apple, the dog eating food. That is very good. You did a great job. High five.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. And what do you got? 2 phones going here. What's on that phone? What's on that phone? What are you playing?
Steve.
Oh, Steve from Blue's Clues. And on this phone? What's on this phone?
Blue.
Oh, also blue. Okay. So you having a nice time?
Have a next time.
Huh? You having a nice time?
Yes.
Yeah. Got the snowstorm outside, right? We're blizzard. We're snowed in. The car isn't unburied yet. So we have to keep ourselves busy. And you seem to be doing a really good job. Right?
Yes.
Okay. Terrific. I'll see you later.
Yeah.
See you later. Have fun. Love you. Mwah.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.